Today we're going to be unboxing a whole bunch of 80s memorabilia. So we have 4 unboxings today of really nostalgic products. So we're just going to jump right into it with Stretch Armstrong. Bam. My name is Miguel, aka Torrent. Today here on our channel we do unboxing and a little bit of product reviews. Today we're doing an 80s memorabilia. Just going down the 80s lane. There's a lot of these 80 products out there that just spark some sort of memory. So we're just going to be unboxing. I have my lovely assistant Katie today. She's going to be giving us our thoughts on our unboxing. Hi, Katie.
Hi.
Perfect. So now introductions are made. We're going to just start and get right into it. So this is from, do you remember this product?
You know, not really, but I will tell you that my nephews were playing with this.
Okay.
So it's made a comeback to children of today.
Today. Oh, interesting. So a little facts about Stretch Armstrong. So this is actually the mini one. And he's about $17. That's a lot of noise. That's $17 on Amazon right now. The original Stretch Armstrong, he was huge. And I remember stabbing him to death, and he would just, this white powder would come out of him. So, oh, I love the demo. All right, how does he feel?
Stretchy.
What do you feel for a 17-year-old? I mean, it's $18 toy.
You know what? Kids will have so much fun with this.
Really?
Yeah. Like this is fun for kids. This is totally up their alley. Like, well,
yeah.
Hello.
It feels like people could do like really good things.
I'm disappointed you can't squish his face though.
Yeah, actually, the original was like that too. The original, you couldn't do anything to his face. Actually,
see, it's like you can see it. Like,
yeah,
it's hard.
The fun part about the original is that you used to be able to whack people with it, whack people with their head, or even pop off the head after a while. I
mean, I could see that because, like, look, you'd be able to do that. No, this is definitely fun for kids.
I mean, I feel like you're having fun. Stretching,
I'm having fun
stretching him out.
And boys would be like, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, boys would try to rip him apart.
My nephews were playing. My 2 nephews are rough and tumble, kind of, will shoot your eye out, karate chop you, kind of boys. So this is like totally
up their alley.
Look, his leg is broken. There we go. There you go, Stretch. Yeah, no, Stretch is cool. I like Stretch.
All right.
I endorse this product. We'll put him to the side.
All right.
I think that would be a fun vintage Christmas present because you know how children are these days. They like to see.
It's a good stocking stuffer.
It's big for a stocking stuffer. So I think it's good for, when Santa Claus brings lots of stuff under the tree for the kids to find. I think things like this are super fun and will keep them entertained. And they definitely like this over a pair of pajamas.
How is it as a stress thing?
Oh, that would be, totally. You could put this on this desk. And every time someone makes you mad,
I mean, that seems like I would want that. Well, it's easy. Oh my God.
I mean, obviously you did use it for stress relief. You know that there's white powder that comes out of it.
I mean, I was 5 or 6 or 10 and I needed to...
Sound like a violent child.
Well, maybe a little bit. All right, so this gets a seal of approval. Let's move on to the next one. Now, this one... man, where do I start with this one? Yep, it is the Speak and Spell. Now, here's the thing. First of all, let's start with the price, okay? This is the Speak and Spell. It comes in at about $21 on Amazon. Katie, do you know what a Speak and Spell is?
No.
Katie never had a Speak and Spell. I had a Speak and Spell. I can tell you right now that just by looking at it, it is a knockoff of the Speak and Spell, obviously. It's not an exact replica, but it comes close. Now, I have mixed feelings about this, but we're gonna get into my reaction, my feelings a little bit after we unbox it here.
Getting out into all his feelings.
Yeah.
You may not want to stick around.
Huh. Might get my first strike on YouTube.
All right. Okay. It does come with instructions.
Okay.
It says it's for children 7+. Probably children who can spell.
7+.
Can you spell by 7?
Oh man.
I don't know. Okay. Starting your speak and spell. Secret code mode.
Secret code mode. Interesting.
Mystery word mode. Say it mode. Letter mode.
Well, so I'm not gonna get too. Let's not get too.
Oh, it made noise.
Oh, did it make noise?
Made noise.
See if you can turn it on. Let's not rip it out of the package. See if it just turns on. Maybe it doesn't.
This is on, yes?
I don't know. It usually will say something. Is there an on button? Oh.
Learn. Learn.
Okay. Can you see anything?
It told you how to spell it.
Can you see anything on the screen?
Not currently.
Oh, it's supposed to tell you on the screen. It's supposed to have a visual on the screen. Maybe we got a defective one. All right. So while Katie tries to figure out the speak and spell, obviously she never had one.
7+ was not the recommendation.
It's definitely older, probably 40+ at this point.
Excuse you.
So let me get you into my thoughts. All right. So it's $21. I think no kid in this day and age has any business playing with a speak and spell, to tell you the truth. I think that with kids today of age, you know, with iPads and phones and whatnot, the speak and spell really kind of doesn't have a place in today's world when it comes to kids.
Children don't want to spell in their free time?
Yeah, I think part of the novelty of this is when it first came out, the fact that it actually spoke to you. I think that's what the novelty was of it. Back in the 80s, it was just something amazing that this, you know, piece of device was speaking to you and you were spelling with it. The fact is that, oh, she hates it so much, we went back to stretch. The fact is that I think that they made this to elicit a response from us, from our older generation, because we all had speak and spells, and it just a kind of a memory lane type of scenario. I really don't think it has. Obviously, Katie couldn't work it, so I really doubt a 7-year-old could work it.
Who knows? Maybe they can.
Maybe.
Anyway, this one is a bust. Don't buy this for your children. It is immediately not fun.
Yeah, I mean, if you have an extra $21 to spend and you want something nostalgic for,
Buy something else.
I would buy it, but other than
No,
that,
you wouldn't. Buy something else.
don't buy it for.
But no, don't buy
buy
it
it for your children.
No, don't buy it for $21.
All right, so let's get into the one on the bottom of there.
This one I know.
This one's another one. We all know Simon.
Yep.
So again, we're going down the nostalgic lane, and this is actually made by Hasbro. So I'm not sure if the original Simon was made by Hasbro. I think it was.
I think it's reasonable.
But again, this product is also a $20 product. Also going down the memory lane of Simon. I could tell you right now, just by looking at it, it again is different from the original, because the original, the plastic on the top, you actually could probably still see the lights, and the plastic on this one is a lot different. But again, looks like you got some stuff in there.
Oh my.
What is all that?
How to play. Press. Oh my god. The flashing green light to start. Let's see if we can. I mean, we all know how to play Simon, don't we?
Oh man, I'm excited. Go for it.
I didn't watch that one.
Well, What ages and up is this for?
This is fun. This is 8 and up.
So, fun enough, it looks like Simon
Oh,
still holds a place in younger generation. I mean, it still seems like a very simplistic fun that I think would still hold up for today's youth.
I would 100%, if these two things are about the same price,
Yeah.
I would 100% get the Simon over the Speak and Spell.
Yeah, it seems like the Simon is a lot more fun and
So much more fun.
yeah, interesting.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Now, we're going on to our third and final item, and this is the item that I 100% love the most because I always love this thing. This is the plasma ball. You can't have an 80s room without a plasma ball. It is essential. It's the quintessential 80 product is the plasma ball. And I always wanted one, never had one until I was older. And then I had one and I broke it by mistake and I never got it back. So this one comes in, this is the 6-inch. This comes in at $30. So it's not cheap. You know, it's definitely not cheap. It's made by, what is this? Bali Boo. So I'm not sure if there's an actual, like, you know, product that makes plasma balls. I'm not sure, like, if it's Hasbro or whatever the case is. But
Okay, so this is glass,
it has to be glass.
and this is plastic.
Oh, I think the original wasn't plastic. But, you know. I'm not sure. Can we even turn it on? Do we have enough to turn it on? I think you have to remove the foam.
I just placed it there too. Oh, it's on.
Is it?
This is going to be hard to see though.
Well, it did have a setting to make it more... There's a setting there somewhere to make it more intense.
There is.
I believe so. There usually should be. No?
No.
Oh, wow. Interesting. So, typically, I mean, this one, I guess, doesn't come with a setting. So, typically, it usually comes with a setting that it makes it more intense or less intense. So, it is looking a little weak. All right. Well, so that is our 80s unboxing. Finishing up with the plasma ball. It seems like Katie has lost all sense and is hypnotized by the plasma ball at this point. So this is definitely, I mean, this is an approved, I'm going to say a yes to this because every kid wants a plasma ball. It makes a little high-pitched sound. So anyway, we got the Stretch Armstrong. This Katie's gets her shit together. Stretch Armstrong, and we got the Simon, and we're gonna say no to. Oh my God! Please don't break things. Say no to Speak and Spell. And she's back playing with the ball.
It is. The noise is a little alarming, and you definitely feel it on your fingers.
Right.
I feel like I'm being, you know,
Electrocuted.
a little bit.
Well,
You know.
maybe we should turn that off. Get a better quality one, not a $20 one from Amazon.
It also smells pretty funny.
All right. Well, before
Okay.
let's turn this off before the house burns down. All right. Well, guys, this was another unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is our 80 unboxing. Obviously, like and subscribe to the videos if you guys have any questions, any comments, concerns, and if you guys want to see future videos, you know, please follow us. It helps us out a lot in our new adventure here. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great Christmas and
Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving.
And I can't with this. I don't think we're ever going to return any of these. All right, guys.
Yes, we will. This.
Yeah, this is the Speak and Spell. All right, guys. Have a great one. See you later.